The 1969 Ford Mustang remains one of the most iconic muscle cars in American automotive history. With its aggressive styling, powerful engine options, and unmistakable presence on the road, it represents the golden era of performance cars. Starting with the exterior, the 1969 model saw a significant design refresh that gave it a longer, wider stance and a much more aggressive front fascia. The quad headlights, which included 2 lights in the grille and 2 on the fenders, gave the car a distinctive face that turned heads wherever it went. The sculpted hood, pronounced body lines, and fastback roof design all contributed to its muscular appearance. The Mach 1 variant featured hood scoops, racing stripes, and special badging that added to its performance-oriented style. Optional. Rear spoilers and sportier wheels made the Mustang look like it belonged on the racetrack even while sitting still. Performance was a key selling point of the 1969 Mustang. Ford offered a wide range of engine options to cater to every type of driver. The base model came with a 200 cubic inch inline-6 engine, but most enthusiasts opted for the V8 South. These ranged from the 302 small block to the mighty 428 Cobra Jet V8 that produced up to 335 horsepower. The Boss 302 and Boss 429 models were introduced in 1969 as homologation specials for racing. The Boss 429 was a monster with a NASCAR-derived engine that delivered jaw-dropping performance, while the Boss 302 was designed for Trans Am racing and offered superb handling with high revving power. Suspension tuning and wider tires helped. These Mustangs gripped the road better than previous models, and optional performance packages allowed for further customization. Moving inside. The 1969 Mustang offered a driver-focused cockpit with a sporty yet classic design. The dash layout was simple but effective, featuring round gauges and chrome accents. Bucket seats were standard, offering good support for spirited driving. Higher trim levels like the Mach 1 included wood grain accents, additional instrumentation, and comfort upgrades. Though it wasn't the most luxurious interior by modern standards, it had a charm that was pure late 60s muscle car. Features like air conditioning, AM/FM radios, and center consoles added to the comfort, and convertible models provided an open-air driving experience that many collectors still love today. As for pricing, back in 1969, a base Mustang would cost you just under $2,600. Fully loaded models like the Boss 429 could reach up to $5,000, which was considered high at the time. Fast forward to today, and these cars have become highly valuable collector items. Depending on condition and rarity, a 1969 Ford Mustang can range from $30,000 for a base coupe in decent condition to over $300,000 for a pristine Boss 429. The Mustang's combination of style, performance, and cultural significance has ensured its lasting legacy. Whether it's cruising down the highway or sitting on display at a car show, the 1969 Mustang continues to capture the imagination of car lovers around the world.